Marcel TV, baby.
What up YouTube, this is Marcel, y'all watching Marcel TV, and today I got a highly requested video. A lot of people was asking me to go back to the slot car place and do some slot car drag racing, so that's exactly what I did. I went back up there. Today was test and tune day, so I'm gonna show you a couple cars, you know, doing test and tuning. If this is your first time watching, make sure you subscribe, hit a like for me, hit the notification bell so you do not miss a video, and we're gonna get into this video. Alright, so here we are, we at Hot Slots, y'all, which y'all requested. I don't really see that many cars in here either. How you doing?
Oh, here comes the cameraman.
See that Mustang? That's real right there.
$189, that sucks. What'd you do? Why didn't you go? Put it on top of it. Think you're hot, huh? Man, out of town. Bro, I've been out there. You ready? Yeah.
Cars right here. Mustangs, Charlie, good. They got hot rods. Look at these cars. A lot of nice cars in here. Some cars down here. Cars over here. All these cars.
Maybe put your
Watch how fast these cars go. Try to go to the end. These cars is fast. I'm gonna have to put a slow motion video up. These cars is fast.
I told you, you read all day until I get up.
Super fast.
Because the green's not gonna help. Doesn't matter what side you're on. Because 0 is neutral. Doesn't matter what side you're on.
Cars over here. Let me get some footage down here so you can see.
Dual 5?
And it's some nice
Yeah,
channel.
no, it was catching good. Now it's, I think the motor's waking up.
Nice channel. There's cars all through here, man. Some big cars. Curtis Seville, where's the Mustang right here? Mustang for the win. You already know Mustang gang. Yeah, I want to get a couple clips of this going down. Get a clip of it going down from behind.
Yeah.
Then I'll get a clip of it at the end.
Yeah, see, you're a little different, ain't it?
Yeah. A little, it's heavier, that's what it is.
Yeah, it's heavy.
So how much
I
is
got
it?
some of them run super quick on Wednesdays too, huh?
Oh yeah.
How much does it cost to build one of those cars?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, the more the paint, you know, the more the paint jobs are what really, you know, some of these cars, like I paid $200 for that one there. This one.
Can you buy something that's already done?
Yeah, I just bought that one today for $200.
Oh, 200?
Yep.
Alright.
And then I bought this for $20 and built it. It cost me $80 to build it.
Okay, yeah, see, I want to
Yeah.
get one. My son likes it, but I just don't know what, I don't know what Ooh. I want a Mustang though, cause I have a Mustang in real life. I actually raced my Mustang at like Milan
What
before
year?
2011.
Oh, nice.
Yeah.
They got them.
Yeah, this is a Plymouth or a Dodge,
Yeah,
right?
Dodge Dart.
Dodge. Oh yeah, it is a Dart. I
Yep.
don't know why I didn't recognize it.
Yeah, I'll take it.
Woo. I want to get y'all race from behind.
You must have got a lot of footage of the Dream Cruise this year, huh?
Yeah, I did. I got a lot. I went to Mustang Alley and just seen a lot
Did you
of
go to
cars.
Mustang Alley there?
Yeah, that's where I got this Mach 1 shirt from.
So you're a Ford guy?
Yeah.
I'm sorry.
I don't like Chevrolets.
That's because you don't know what you're doing.
Okay. That's why I keep on beating you every week, huh?
Well, Mopars are so fucking ugly. That's why I can't. It throws me off.
You ready?
Ready?
We're almost done with the Nova.
Okay, I want to see that one too.
Speed glider, Jeff. You see that? Come off the track. Two-speed glider. Yeah.
That one there came a long way. I know it was so far. We still have a long way to go. And we just finished up this little guy.
Is that a customer's Mustang or is that for sale?
Mustang?
Yeah.
Oh, it'll be for sale.
It's like a little hot rod. It's a lot of detail in it and all of it. I love the Mustang. I do. I love the blue stripe too. It came like this or you just painted it like that?
Nope, I got it just like that.
Yeah, that's
They come off the track last time I run it. Yeah, I better just run it by itself. I don't want to crash your car.
I'll back out.
It's a little.
I'll drive around you.
It's a little light on the.
I'll drive around you.
I like that. I like that Chevy 2 wagon.
Yeah. Ready?
Yep.
Right.
Oh, you red lighted?
Yeah, I tried like it.
She ran good, Dad.
There you go, Jeffrey.
He's swinging his leg today, Jeff. You got another 3.
Alright, y'all, that was it for today's video. Get in the comments and let me know what you think about the cars that was out there. Let me know how fast y'all think they went. And if you want to see more content like this, get in the comments and let me know that you want to see another video like this. There's actually some bracket racing coming up that they have going on. So I'm thinking about going out there and shooting some of their bracket racing and letting you guys see who got the fastest slot car. They got, you know, different levels or whatever. So I'm thinking about doing that. So y'all get in the comments and y'all let me know, do y'all want to see that or not. Also, man, make sure y'all subscribe to the channel. I do see a lot of you guys subscribing. I want to say thank you to everybody who is subscribing. You are definitely helping the channel. Make sure y'all continue to comment. Make sure y'all continue to subscribe. And we just going to keep going up, and I'm going to keep dropping that footage for y'all. And I'm going to see y'all on the next video.